The internet has become a big part of our lives. We use it for everything. We use it to connect with friends. We use it to learn new things. We even use it to order food. But have you ever wondered how websites are made? This is where web development comes in. Web development is the process of building websites. It's like building a house, but instead of bricks and mortar, we use code. This code tells the computer what to show on the screen and how to interact with the user. Web development is a very exciting field, and it's only getting bigger. As more and more people use the internet every day, the demand for talented web developers continues to grow. So, if you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, web development might be for you, or... Let's start with the fun part, front-end development. This is what you see when you visit a website. It's all about making websites look good and be easy to use. Imagine you're at a restaurant. The front end is like the menu, the decor, and the friendly waiter. It's the face of the website. To create this awesome user experience, front-end developers use three main tools: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the basic structure of a website. Think of it like the foundation of a house. CSS is used to style the website. It's like choosing the paint color in furniture. Finally, JavaScript makes the website interactive. It's like adding doors that open and lights that turn on. So when you're browsing your favorite website, remember that a talented front-end developer worked hard to make it look and feel great for you. Now let's go behind the scenes to the back end, the powerhouse of any website or application. This is the part of the website you don't see, but it's what makes everything work seamlessly. It's like the hidden gears of a clock, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Think of the back end as the kitchen of a restaurant. Just as chefs prepare your meal with precision and care, back-end developers craft the functionality of a website. You don't see the chefs cooking, but you know they're hard at work preparing your delicious meal. Similarly, back-end developers work behind the scenes to ensure everything you interact with online is perfect. Back-end developers use a variety of tools and technologies to build the logic and functionality of a website. They write complex algorithms and manage databases to keep everything running smoothly. Databases store all the website's data, like user information and product details. These databases are meticulously maintained to ensure data integrity and security. Servers are powerful computers that host the website and make it accessible to users on the internet. They handle requests, process data, and deliver content to your screen in milliseconds. And programming languages like Python, Ruby, and Node.js, are used to write the instructions that tell the server what to do. These languages are the backbone of web development, enabling developers to create dynamic and interactive websites. It's a complex and powerful world, but thanks to the hard work of back-end developers, we can enjoy seamless and enjoyable online experiences. Their expertise ensures that everything from online shopping to social media runs without a hitch. Section 4. The dance between front-end and back-end. We've learned that front-end is like the front of the house, the part everyone sees and interacts with. It's the visual and interactive aspect that users experience directly. And the back-end is like the kitchen where all the behind-the-scenes work happens. It's the engine that powers the front-end, handling data processing and business logic. But how do they work together? How do these two crucial parts of a system communicate and ensure everything runs smoothly? Imagine you're ordering food at a restaurant. You look at the menu, decide what you want, and then tell the waiter your order. You tell the waiter what you want, the front end. The waiter is your interface to the kitchen, making sure your request is understood. The waiter then takes your order to the kitchen, the back end. Here, the chefs get to work, preparing your meal based on the order received. The chefs prepare your food, processing the request with their skills and ingredients, ensuring everything is cooked to perfection. And then, the waiter brings it back to you, delivering the final product, the response. This seamless interaction ensures you get exactly what you ordered. This is similar to how front-end and back-end communicate in web development. The front end makes requests to the back end, which processes them and sends back the necessary data. When you visit a website and interact with it, like clicking a button or submitting a form, you're engaging with the front end. These actions trigger requests that are sent to the back end, which then processes these requests. The front end sends a request to the back end asking for data or to perform certain actions. The back end processes the request, fetches any necessary data from databases or other services, and performs the required operations. Once the back end has completed its tasks, it sends back a response to the front end, often in the form of data or confirmation of an action. The front end then takes this response and updates the website accordingly, ensuring the user sees the latest information or results of their actions. It's a beautiful dance of communication that happens behind the scenes, a constant exchange of information that keeps everything running smoothly. This intricate interaction ensures that you have a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience, making the complex seem effortless. Section 5. Full stack development, the best of both worlds. Some developers like to specialize in either front-end or back-end development, but what if you want to do it all? That's where full stack development comes in. Full stack developers are like the multi-talented chefs who can cook, serve, and even manage the restaurant. They have a deep understanding of both front-end and back-end technologies and can build entire web applications from start to finish. This versatility makes full-stack developers highly sought after by companies big and small. They have a holistic view of the web development process, which allows them to create innovative and robust web applications. So, if you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career path, full-stack development might be the perfect fit for you. Section 6. Why learn web development? You might be thinking, web development sounds cool, but why should I learn it? Well, let me tell you, there are numerous compelling reasons to dive into this field. First and foremost, web development is a highly in-demand skill. In today's digital age, almost every business needs a web presence, and that means they need skilled developers to create and maintain their websites. With the internet constantly growing, companies are always on the lookout for talented developers to build and maintain their websites and web applications. This demand is not just limited to tech companies. Industries across the board need web developers. This means that learning web development can open doors to exciting and well-paying job opportunities. Whether you want to work for a startup, a large corporation, or even freelance, the options are vast and varied. Moreover, web development offers a level of job security that is hard to find in other fields. As long as the internet exists, there will be a need for web developers. Second, web development is a very creative field. It's not just about coding, it's about bringing ideas to life. You can use your skills to build websites and applications that solve real-world problems, entertain people, or simply express your own creativity. The possibilities are endless. From designing visually stunning websites to developing complex web applications, the creative potential in web development is vast. You get to see your ideas come to life and make an impact on users around the world. Finally, web development is very accessible. Unlike many other fields, you don't need a formal education or expensive equipment to get started. There are tons of free resources available online, and you don't need a fancy computer or expensive software to get started. Websites like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and many others offer comprehensive courses at no cost. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. So why wait? Start your web development journey today and unlock a world of opportunities. Section 7. Your web development journey starts now. Congratulations! You've just completed a crash course in web development. You've learned about the front end and back end, the technologies involved, and the exciting world of full-stack development. Now it's time to take the next step. Start by exploring some of the free resources available online. Try building a simple website. Join a community of learners and don't be afraid to ask questions. Web development is a challenging but incredibly rewarding journey. So, what are you waiting for? Your web development journey starts now.